Instagram allows you to connect with your friends and followers. In this video, we will show you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device by tapping on its icon. Go to your Instagram profile and tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear from bottom of the screen that contains some options and settings. Tap on Settings and Privacy option at the top of the menu. This page shows all the settings related to the Instagram app and your account in general. Tap on Account Center option. In this menu, tap on the Personal Details option. This page shows options related to your personal details on the Meta apps like Facebook and Instagram. Tap on the Account Ownership and Control option in the menu. You can edit the memorialization of your Instagram account and delete or deactivate the account using these options. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. You can see all the different accounts or profiles you have logged into Meta apps on your mobile device. Tap on the Instagram account you want to delete permanently. You get the option to either delete the account or deactivate it. Deactivating an account means that the account will be deactivated temporarily, and you can activate it whenever you want to. Deleting the account means that the account you selected in the last menu will be permanently deleted, and you cannot get it back once it is deleted. To delete the account, tap on the circle in front of the Delete Account option. Tap on Continue button at the bottom. Instagram will ask the reason for deleting your account, which can help Instagram improve the app in the future updates. Here we will select this option as an example for the video, however, you can select the reason you want by tapping on it. Tap on Continue button at the bottom. You will be asked to enter the password for the account as a security measure. Tap on Delete Account. The account deletion process will start and all the account details, profile, likes and comments will be deleted after a month. You can cancel the deletion of the account by logging into your Instagram account or through the account center before the process is completed.